Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Well, in today's video I'm going to be cooking chicken nuggets and chips in the Travel Buddy oven. I've never done nuggets in the Travel Buddy and I've never done chips, so this is going to be a bit of fun. Alright, so here we go. Got the expensive nuggets from Coles, as you can see. They're pretty good tempura chicken nuggets made with Aussie chicken. And I've got them in that tray there. And I'm going to be putting the chips in this one here, which has got a little, you know, gratey thing. Oh, it's a bit grubby. Might get that a tub. I'm going to put the chips on there and we're going to get started. All right, I'm going to pop the chips on there.
I think those trays are fantastic.
They are good, aren't they?
Did you get them from pickups? Or is this the South Australian ones?
No, they're from, what's it called? Far out, Brussels sprout. Like down the peninsula somewhere, I can't think where.
Yeah.
All right, look. Chips are in. Pop them in. Nuggets next. Look at that. It's gonna be good. Temperature's going to be interesting. I don't know, so I might just stick it at 130, see how we go. It's lunch. They're sort of half frozen. Pop that on there. Look, there she goes. All right, we'll see you at lunchtime. This is lunch. Let's see how we went with my nuggets and my chips. Oh, bit of steam. That's how they went, eh? Now turn the nuggets over once. Are you ready? Ta-da! Nuggets are yummy, but the chips, you know, so-so. Never mind. Hey, you learn. Well, hope you enjoyed that video. We're going to have lunch now. Don't forget, hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.